Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to your 6th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the last tutorial, we talked about HTML headings. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about paragraphs. So, let's get started. Okay, before I start, if you are new here, I encourage you to go back and watch the previous tutorial so that you catch up. Alright. Now I opened the file that we saved previously, but I deleted what we wrote here. Let me write something here. This is text. Okay, let me save it. Okay, now it is displayed here. Okay, what if I want to write another text? Let me put some space here, and this is another one. Okay, let me save it. Here there is a space, right? There is space here. Let me refresh. You see, the browser ignored the space that is here, okay, because it does not recognize this one as a paragraph, okay, because we have not put the p tag. So let's do that. Let's start it with p tag. This is a text. Okay, now let me save it. Watch here. Okay, watch here. Let me refresh. You see, after I refresh it, the browser adds a margin here. By default, it adds a margin. Alright, because this one is a paragraph tag. Okay, what if I want to write another paragraph, right? Let me do that. This is another paragraph. Okay, we close it. Let me save. As you can see here, there is no space between the two paragraphs. See what happens here. You see, again the browser adds another paragraph. The browser adds another margin here. Okay, because it knows, seeing this one is a paragraph and this other one is a paragraph, so let me add a margin between them. Okay, yeah. Okay, what if we want to add more space between these two, like we had space like this, and save it? See what will happen here. Nothing happens, right? There's nothing. The browser does not know this extra space. Okay, it only knows one like. If you hit it one like this, that's what it recognizes. The rest it doesn't. So in the next tutorial, I will teach you what you can put here to add this extra space. In the next tutorial, we will be talking about text formatting. So I'll see you there.